Okay, yeah, I decided to go into Hobby Lobby to see if I could find some of that pampas grass or something to go inside of that Bath and Body Works vase that I bought on clearance. So I'm still looking for the perfect flower for that vase. So I decided to look over here real quick. These candles are actually nice, and I bought some before, but I end up returning them. But this time I said I'm gonna grab a few, I'm gonna burn them, and really get into it. The throw on these candles is pretty good. It's pretty good. And on sale, they're only $7. Hobby Lobby put their Christmas items out super early. Every time I go into this store and I see that they're decorating for Christmas, I just be so surprised and shocked. They're the only people I know that put their stuff out in July or the beginning of August. I feel like it's a little too early for Christmas items, but the early bird catches the worm, so I guess that's what they're doing. But the items look really nice. I'm in Target in the dollar spot. Let's see what they have. Just a really quick video on the dollar spot. Yeah, I know this stuff sells super fast. If you are looking for display racks, here you go. $5. $5 for these display racks. They go just like that. $5. Amazing. And it actually comes in two colors, the black as well as the natural color. Then, Then come around here, they actually have these adjustable shelves for $5. Drawer organizers, $5. We know a lot of our young kids is going back to school. You might need one of these mats, these nap mats, $5. You can't beat that. Also another drawer organizer. Yay! The Target dog have these jars. Those are $5. Display jars. Throw blankets, $5. You cannot beat that. $5. Let's see what the measurements are. 50 by 60 for $5. They're not really thick. They're more like a linen type of fabric, but $5, not bad. They also have some stuff for your kitchen displays. Super cute. A lot of fall stuff. Give thanks. This is Hello Pumpkin. Also comes with 2 towels, and these are $5 as well. That's a super good price, y'all. Need a lantern for your phone, your desk. LED lights, $5. Holders, envelope holders, or whatever you want to call it. These are actually $3. I got the paper clip. I'm sure these are $3 as well. Another drawer organizer. How much is this thing? This is $3. Not bad. If you need makeup organizer for your drawer, this is actually really nice. I really like this. $5. Pillows. $5 for these fall pillows. Welcome. Farm fresh pumpkins. $5, and they're really stuffed. Really nice. Super nice. You're trying to be organized. School is coming. School will be here in a couple of weeks. I know school has started in some people's area already, but if you're trying to get organized, or as you see, a lot of our kindergartners are going to school, you want to put in that date, first day of school, there you go. This is actually really nice. I really like this. And this is $3. Look at that. Stickers. It's called a smart mat. Smart mat. And you just do little different activities and then you can wipe it off, I believe. Super nice. And this is $1. Amazing price. And as y'all all do know, I am a bus driver, and these come in handy. This comes in handy. Attach this to your kid's backpack with their information so the driver will know and your kid will not get lost. But these little things is $1. If you're looking for some good back to school items, check the dollar spot for some of your cheap items. They have a lot of nice things in the dollar spot this week. Oh, look at that line, y'all. Line is super long, but I just wanted to do a really quick video. I'm actually going to get this. I only got one item. I'm going to get this wireless charger. $5. Can't beat it. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Also, they got a lot of paints. What is this? Glue, silly, stringy stuff. A lot of stuff. So that's about it. I'm gonna get, man, this line so long. Wow. It's all the way to the back of the store. I'm gonna go over here to Starbucks to see if they have any different cups, which I know they're not gonna have any cups. The new collection come out on the 22nd, but we just gonna see. Nothing. Okay, they don't have anything over here, so I'm gonna leave. I was gonna buy that one item, but because the line is so long, I can't do it. The line is way too long for me. Is this the only place that I could check out at for one item?